I was actually planning a trip to go to Pennsylvania to try out some Amish food. But guess what? Right here in Sarasota, look what I found. Their Dutchman restaurant and bakery. And they also have a hotel in the back. So you know what? I guess we'll need to try it out to see if it's worth it. Let's go check it out.
They close on Sundays. Stick around till the end. The towel coat upstairs hit us a little too hard. They have all sorts of goodies in this place that you can buy and take home. So you need to take some time to go through this restaurant because you'll be there for a while. The bread, oh my goodness, the selections is amazing. And let's not talk about dessert. Dessert, you can stay there forever.
Chocolate ice honey. Yeah. So you make all the cakes here? Gorgeous cake. Ashley made those cakes. Look at that.
Ashley, that's fantastic.
It's beautiful. Oh, do you?
Oh my goodness gracious. Very nice.
They have a buffet that you have the choice. You can have the buffet and go in and serve yourself, or you can order from the menu and then they'll come and deliver it to your table. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see.
You can order anything off the menu.
Okay.
Or if you want the buffet, we have the buffet. It's a hot bar with chicken, roast beef, turkey, mashed potatoes, dressings. And there's a salad bar, and then there's another buffet. And today's Friday, so there's fish, shrimp, I think fried okra, and then there's like extra desserts.
And we can eat out of any one if we go to buffet.
All the buffets.
Every day the
Menu?
one buffet is the same, and the salad bar is the same. But then the third buffet some days has
Tacos.
tacos. That's Tuesday. Wednesday is usually barbecue, and then Friday has to be fish.
And how much is the buffet for lunch?
$21.99
$21.99. And for breakfast? I'm sorry?
on Friday and Saturday because they have a little more meat.
On Friday, Saturday.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's $20.99.
$20.99.
And then breakfast is $14.99.
$14.99. Okay,
Nice.
good to know.
It's really good. Try that.
That's powerful.
You can definitely taste the mint, which is nice.
Oh yeah,
That is good. Thank
very
you so
good.
much.
Thank you. Looks like we got some roast beef, fried chicken, salmon, sweet potato casserole, some hush puppies. I think this is a rhubarb pie, carrots, and rice. Oh, you got fried chicken, you got salmon, sweet potato, hush puppies, you got roast beef, mashed potatoes, noodles, and broccoli, or tree, should I say. And then whatever that is. If you do come here, make sure don't eat breakfast. We didn't do that, just so we can enjoy.
That's like a party in your mouth.
Raspberry tea,
tea.
sweet
And
tea.
This is garden mint.
Garden mint. Highly
Really
recommend either one. So you were saying, I'm sorry, your name is Mia.
Yes.
Mia. Mama Mia. So you were saying?
Ice cream comes with your buffet. We have chocolate vanilla or swirl, and it's soft serve.
Ooh.
There you go.
Yeah.
I know you're gonna go for chocolate.
I'll do chocolate. Yes.
The cream on the inside of that is not,
I can't see it.
okay,
I gotta taste it.
okay, you do that. It's not, it's more like a mousse than it is like a heavy cream like you get in your typical type of donut.
Oh wow,
That's very good.
that is good.
If you're ever in Sarasota, please come see us at Dutchman. Ask for Mia. Unless you don't like me, then ask for Micah.
There we go. That's perfect.
We got here about 11:15, 11:30, and noticed the difference. See how packed this place is. So it is packed. There's plenty of seating in the area here. So it looks like they have a sitting area here that you can play checkers. So they got a meeting room there. They had apple fritter at the line. Went ahead and tasted a little bit. As you all know, I'm very picky about my apple fritters. And so I'm deciding not to go ahead and buy the ones that they have here. You can actually check it out right up here, the video. A place in Orlando called Donut King. That's my favorite when it comes to apple fritter. The best apple fritters ever. But we are gonna go ahead and try some other donuts. There was one that Kim had with the one with the cream. I definitely want her to bring some of that home. So let's go check upstairs, see what they have. Hi there.
Something that we're having in May. This is May 8th and 9th, 2026. You're going to purchase this bag and fill it. Everything in that bag is 30% off. Each item, with the exception of our Brighton or a handmade quilt, but you can actually fit a quilt in there.
And what about this bag? You do this every year?
Every year, we do something like this.
Okay.
And my manager, she is so sweet and wonderful. During the summer, we have sales every single week.
Okay.
So you've got to come in, check out what special things are happening.
This hotel was gorgeous. Beautiful inside. Definitely an 8. And I didn't give it a 10 because we asked to see the rooms, but they were all booked, so they couldn't really show us inside the one. But look at the grounds. They got plenty of conference rooms. Nice pool.
So it looks like they provide breakfast from 6:30 in the morning to 10:30 in the morning. They have cookies from 4 to 8.